Hi, I'm Mayanna with Heartwood Art, and today I'll show you 2 ways to use the push-pull tool to create a half-lap joint in SketchUp. So let's dive in. The first way to create a half-lap joint is to use the boards that you'll be joining. Now I have a 2x4 here, and I want to create a half-lap joint in the end of the 4x4 for it. Both of them have been made into components. So first, let's place the 2x4. We're going to select 2x4, then bring up the Move tool by hitting M, and I'm going to grab this corner and place it on the corner of the 4x4. Now we need to select the 4x4 component in a special way because we're going to draw lines on the section we want to remove. So hit the space bar to bring up the selection tool, and then double click on the 4x4. You'll see a dotted box all around it. Next, we need to draw lines on the 4x4 component to define the section that we want to remove. To bring up the line tool, you can either click it in the left toolbar or hit L on your keyboard. So we're going to click once on the endpoint where the 2x4 and 4x4 meet, and then go to the opposite endpoint and click once. Now go to the other intersection endpoint, click there. And then when you do this one, there are a bunch of points around here, so make sure you're on the one that says intersection and click there. Now we have our lines defined and we want to bring up the push-pull tool. You can either click it in the left toolbar or hit P on your keyboard. Hover over the 4x4 should be dotted lines. Click and drag your mouse down until the top line of the 4x4 hits the bottom line of the 2x4. And let go. And we can check that this lap joint is made by going back to the selection tool, selecting the 2x4, bringing up the Move tool, and moving it away. And as you can see, we have our half-lap joint. Okay, the second way to create a half-lap joint is to just draw lines on the 4x4 for the section that you want to remove. But you have to draw more of them than we did using the 2x4 method. And just like we did before, we need to select the component in a special way. So double click on it. You'll see a dotted box all the way around. Now we're going to draw our lines. To bring up the line tool, hit L on your keyboard. We're going to start on the inside corner, click there. Go to the opposite corner, click there. That's one line. Now we need to make the one going down. Click there again. Go down. And type in 1.5 inches. Hit enter. Find that point again, and it will say endpoint. Click on it, go over, type in 3.5 inches. Hit enter. Click on that point again, go straight up, and it will snap when it gets to the edge. Click on that point, and then click on that point again. Go over to the other edge, and it will snap into place when it's directly across, and click. Now we have all of our lines. Let's bring up our push-pull tool by hitting P on our keyboard. Hover over the top face, click and drag down until the top line meets the bottom one. Now if you go too far, you may get an error that say it's beyond its limits, but it should be fine. And that's it. Now you know 2 ways to create a half-lap joint on your boards. Be sure to subscribe to this channel to see more SketchUp tips and models.